Right now we're just at a public pool, and so we get to visualize like an audience.
So we'll watch the whole routine, and then there'll be a close-up on one girl that we'll learn, and you have that with every girl.
And we have papers that have, it's kind of like American football, there's like X's of a formation where you are.
A few routines that we have to do with a big long wig, and when that gets really wet it gets really heavy and it's quite hard to move with it on your head, so that's quite difficult because in synchro, competitive synchro, we didn't have a wig, it was just a costume. It's really cool, it looks really nice in the water.
My biggest stress is the makeup, like not even the synchro part.
I knew we had to learn about makeup, but I didn't realize it was going to be that hard. It's so
really
hard to do.
It takes forever. Like we spent 2 hours and we didn't even finish the whole thing.
It's really fun.
She thinks it's fun.
Yeah. I like makeup because I change.
It's a change?
Yeah.
Oh, it changes your look?
Yeah. I like it, especially we have the stamps. I like this part.
The design, it's pretty.
I feel like we're really getting ready, and it's getting easier every day, but the whole aspect of like the audience and just being on set in the water with like a lot of outside distractions, it may be different.
Cirque is like a whole different world, and I'm gonna love meeting all the other artists and seeing what they do and what training background they had, and just learning about other people.
I'm really excited, and my dreams come true.